Thirikari ihetwo thiku 30 ni Kiama kia MANATHI gikiro gia clinical officers ikorwo ikinyaniirie kumahingiria mendekithia mao maria maiguithanirie tariki 8 mweri wa mugwanja mwaka uyu kwaga uguo maingire mugomo-ini.
Tutasoma ujumbe wetu kwa Wakenya.
Makiaria na andiki a mohoro guku Nairobi matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa kiama giki Peterson Wachira augite kiama giki ni giekiranire kirore NGIRIMITI ya uruti wa wira na kanju ya magavana mweri-ini wa mugwanja mwaka uyu kuria mendekithia mao mabatie gukinyanirio kaunti-ini ciothe 47 o ari kurumirira watho wa igoti.
Kenyans need not suffer because of the structure of management and governance of the health system. It's time Kenyans ask themselves whether there is something that needs to be done to the leadership and governance of the health sector.
Wachira hamwe na mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki George Gibore ni mokireire kanju ya magavana na kiria maugite ni agararite watho wa igoti hamwe na uria maiguithaniirie kuona kanju ino irahuthira njira cia wara gutabania mucemanio na arugamiriria kiama giki niguo kuiguithaniria mendekithia ma o county handu-ini ha gukuruhania county ciothe 47 NGIRIMITI-ini ino.
The Council of Governors has resulted back to the old frustrating tactics by inviting the unions to negotiate with individual counties against our agreement and the court directive. This is a clear breach of agreement and a sign of lack of goodwill by the employer.
We have reached a level where we have leaders who are very insensitive, that they don't care who suffers. They are not in touch with the ground. Their only interest is what benefits them.
Hamwe na maundu maria mendekithitie gukorwo magikinyanirio ni kanju ino ni ikorwo irikireirie mutaratara wa kwambatiria ngathi MANATHI aria mabatie gukorwo mambatiritio rungu rwa thiku 30. Kaunti ciothe ikorwo ciandikithitie MANATHI othe mubango-ini wa kwamukira motungata ma urigitani mbere ya tariki 1 mweri ukite. NGIRIMITI ya uiguano ya uruti wao wa wira ikorwo ikinyanirio ihinda-ini ria thiku 30 ciukite. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kisii itige kaimana guthagathagia kana kuguoyohia MANATHI aria mari rungu rwa kiama giki. Mishara yothe iria matarihitwo kumana na migomo yao ya mwaka wa 2021 na 2024 irihwo narua ta uria kwahoteka na ndigakirie tariki 5 mweri ukite.
Following a court directive, the return to work provided specific directions, which I want to highlight clearly. That one was that the employer shall commence negotiation for CBA forthwith and conclude within 60 days from the date of signing.
Kiama giki ni kiugite gitigitwo gitari na wiki o tiga kuingira mugomo-ini nginyanagia riria NGIRIMITI ino igakinyanirio na kurutithio wira.
That the failure to heed to our demand, the union shall have no option but to result back to the strike action, since all other avenues have already been exhausted.